Hello, how are you? So today I bring new video of keyword research, how to find a best keyword from your competitor using Semrush. So in this video I will tell you how to skip the unrelated keyword like you have shown. Here is the competitor, you have to put it and then select the relevant area. Like this is my one of the client, it from Australia, and the business is SaaS, like it is a tool for different businesses. So now this is my top competitor. Now you can see the total volume and the keyword 3000 keyword ranking, getting 8K traffic. So I have to extract. Here you can see the branded traffic. I don't need the branded term in my keyword list. So how to do deep and extract only relevant data to your on which you need. So go to this feature advanced filter. Here you can see include and exclude filter. So exclude the keyword which are like branded to like this domain. I don't want the brand keyword. They are like ranking, so I need only the commercial and those keywords which are good for and relevant to me. So I have to put their brand name there, and then I have apply the filter. So here you can see after this my keyword will be in so see the keyword is now decreased to 2.5k and traffic is 2.5k. Now I can extract all these keyword, these are relevant to me. Plus you can also this filter apply position like top to bottom 1 to 100, and you will see on ranking keyword, and those ranking are some informational, some commercial and relevant to my like topic, my business, my client business. So this is the tip, and other pro method also go to this intent and just select commercial. You will get more relevant and less data, like just 600 keyword, and this is the traffic. Now this is more relevant, and even you can see the competition is less. So this is the method how you can extract just relevant data from your competitor. You don't need to go for like the bulk keyword or 10,000. It sometimes waste your time. So this is one of the best method to just get relevant data from competitor and the query term keywords. So this is one of the method. If you like it, share it. I will produce more.